पुदीना डाल रहे, चुल्लू डाल रहे, नमक मिर्च, फिर चीनी डालेंगे इसमें या शक्कर डालेंगे बना के।
So I got my vegetables. This is amaranth leaves. Makes very like spinach-like, very tasty vegetable dish. And my apple. Here at the farm of the neighbors. Neighbors, it means like still 15 minutes of walk uphill. But they have different trees in their orchard. They are growing high density trees since 2 years, so there are a few apples from that, but the older trees, they have an early variety of apples, so ours are not yet ready, but these are very tasty. So yeah, I guess I found a little bit of energy or inspiration to start making videos again. I don't have a plan, I just want to update you guys of what is happening in the farm, like the good things that have happened and maybe the little bit sad things that have happened, or you know, not really bad things, but sometimes not everything goes according to plan, right? So why I didn't record a lot of videos is because I was just very overwhelmed by a lot of things and maybe not feeling that great, that peaceful. And I think I need to be peaceful to be able to make videos, to record it, to take out the time to get inspired. But then on the other hand, making videos also inspires me, makes me peaceful, because you have to focus really on what is in front of you, on the beauty that you see around you. It brings you very much in the moment, and I think that's why I love making these videos. Yeah, a lot of things have happened. Obviously, Pawan and I got married. Other than that, we have a very big time pressure to finish a lot of the work before the rainy season. We have built a lot of things, but we have not properly waterproofed everything. So most of the things are the house, of which we decided to put up another roof. We have to repair the plaster because the previous plaster did not, for some reason or the other. We are speculating a lot why it didn't work, but it didn't work. So we have to remove it and redo it. Plastering of the compost toilet, which we have built, the cow shed or horse shed, and the tank, water tank, and then finish the water system to be able to harvest the water that we are going to get this rainy season in a clean way. So there are lots of things which, yeah, are kind of pressurized by time. Plus, lately we are struggling with the fact that things are getting more expensive than we wanted to. So yeah, doesn't feel always very comfortable, but we will figure it out some way or the other, I guess. We did get a horse. It was actually a wedding gift of my friends and family from the Netherlands and Canada, and it was so crazy. Pawan spontaneously just mentioned once that, oh, we want a horse, and one of my friends took the initiative to arrange a horse for us or like gather the money so with which we can then buy a horse. Yeah, we got a horse. We took some days off to search for a good horse. We went to all kinds of different villages around, and yeah, we settled with one horse with which we felt comfortable. And he's working now since a few weeks here on the farm. getting water for us. You know, if we have to transport mud or stones, we can use the horse for that. Yeah, the horse is good. I must say I am still a little bit struggling with how to deal with a horse. It's such a big animal, and I cannot read it in a way like how I can read a dog. If it's happy, if it's sad, so there's a lot to learn. But then we also got chickens, which is also really nice. We are getting eggs, and it's just also at the end to eat meat from the chickens. But then one unfortunate thing happened is that we left them open to free range one day, and we didn't pay attention for half an hour or something, and there are some dogs here around which is not our dog, but from the neighbors, who also thought chicken looks very tasty, and they killed 4 of them. So we had 12 chickens, of which we have kept them separate because not all the chickens go well together. So yeah, 2 dogs killed 4 chickens. So that's a little bit sad, but okay, that happens. And we will get some more chickens. Anyway, we were planning to get more than 12, and we have built a cage for them. Hello, just a small interruption because it's, I think, a week after I filmed what you have seen just so far. And in the meantime, we also got 2 sheep at the farm. So we are expanding a lot with our animals, and that is now finally possible because we might have permanent workers here at the farm. It's a family, really nice people, and we really hope that they will stay and that they will keep on working with us. But so far it looks really promising, and we are confident enough to get the animals here at the farm. So there was a week where I had to work on my own here at the farm because Pawan was in Dehradun. At that time, Cuckoo, our dog, ate probably something poisonous, and her whole face and tongue and everything swelled up. She was shivering with her mouth. Saliva was just coming in buckets out of her mouth. It was really scary, and luckily we always have some veterinary medicine or human medicine here at the farm, so there's something that we can do. We're not completely like helpless. I don't know if it was the medicine or what it was, but she completely recovered after one day. Other than that, a lot of work is going on. The ferro cement, putting the ferro cement on the roof was a very tense experience because it has to be done in a very particular way, making sure that everything is going according to what the instructions are, which were given to us to make this ferro cement roof, because we got some help from friends who have more experience in this. Anyway, I think after the first layer of ferro cement, the roof was still leaking a lot. We had a lot of even leakage inside the dome. Now it seems that there are no cracks yet, so we're keeping our fingers crossed. I would like to do one more plaster layer just to be sure. Let's see how that works out, but that was a big job. Then there is a lot of work that we did for the cow shed, or now the horse shed, because obviously the horse came to the farm and we had to have a comfortable place for him to live. So we made a concrete floor with a drain gutter so we can easily clean it. But yeah, it's getting somewhere. We just need 2 more final coatings of plaster, and yeah, we're good to go. A bit later now, but I will continue to tell you what all we have done. So other than the chani and the house, we have worked on the tank. We have added some plaster layers. The final plaster layer is on. We might put some lime wash on the tank to make it more waterproof, but other than that is finished. The only thing we have to do is to improve our water harvesting system. We want to add a natural filter before the water flows into the tank. Then we have also worked a lot on the compost toilet. The 2 chambers where we are going to compost our humaner are almost ready. We plastered that with cement plaster because we just really want to have it that to be waterproof. Yeah, the final outer plaster layers are being applied. It will be a little bit more work for the interior, like the pots and everything, the tiling to be ready. But for now, the first important priority before rainy season is just to get the outside plastered. Then we, of course, had a nice harvest of lavender. Our plants are not big yet, but we did harvest some and dried it, and we will soon put it in jars to preserve it for the rest of the year. So that's really nice to already see some fruits of your hard work. And yeah, because we got so many animals now, we also preferably want to grow a lot of their food ourselves here on the farm. So we planted corn, makki in Hindi. In between the corn we planted rajma beans, which is kidney beans. It's nice to see it's growing well. At the time of recording this, rainy season has almost started. We are already experiencing the foggy weather, being in the clouds, the big rains, not yet. So we are hoping to have at least one more week in which we can finish some of the plaster work. I hope you enjoyed watching this little update of what is happening in the farm. I just really wanted to get started again recording videos, and I got a lot of requests from people that what is happening, is everything going fine? And yes, everything is going fine. We're just really busy. I will continue making videos which are a little bit more cinematic, if you can say so. Just like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!